Because if it was, it ain't doing it. And people still want to convince me it is. We're about to break 18,000, folks. Or does anyone think it's about to fly up to $1 million? Maybe it will. Mr. Jid 1973 has just said, does Bitcoin can survive after a fall down to zero? That's a good point, isn't it? If it goes to zero, who would buy it? I've always said that about my stocks. When my stocks get low, this is my portfolio, by the way. Does it mean it's worth buying if Tesla gets to 50 cents? Would you buy it? No. It's gone past the point of value now. Now it's just going bankrupt. So would anyone buy it if it hit zero? Everyone buys it at $1. What? That would just be what? We're going to pump it up again and dump it again. You know, what would be the sense of that? I can't see how it would, but somebody probably would. They'd go, it's only $1, innit? That's like my BSV. Exactly like my BSV. I've got 11 coins of BSV. I own 11 Bitcoin. Hey, I'm a millionaire. If it goes to $1 million, I've got 11 million bucks. I'm a millionaire. Brilliant. But do I have respect for it? No. Does it care about me? No. I just own it because if I lose 500 bucks, I'm prepared for that. I've accepted that. Minnow, Michael will never sell. I am going to buy to 15,000. I will buy at 15,000 if it goes below until it gets to 12,000. Where do these numbers come from? Somebody tell me. And please don't tell me it's a line on a chart and an average and a resistance line that somebody passed in the past. Someone drew on a graph in the past. Where do you get these numbers from? Crypto Rebel, data is just one use case for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a public ledger, so naturally you can store data on it. Yeah, but what data? What does it mean? I'm trying to help you. You obviously like BSV and you think everyone should buy it. You've got an open chance here to tell the world why BSV is great. You're saying it's got data on it. What does that mean? What does it actually mean? Until you can convince the world of your argument, no one is going to buy it. Simple as. No one's buying BSV. Hardly anyone is buying BSV. Everyone's selling BTC, looking for somewhere to put their money. If you could give a compelling argument, and you should be able to because you believe in it, that's why you bought it, tell me. You have the floor. You have an audience. Thousands of people will watch this video over the day, and you could pump up BSV if you could give an answer to that question. Why are BSV people like a cult? No offense. No, hey, it is a fact. The BSV army, like the Shiba army. I have had Shiba army people come on here. They call themselves an army. They're not a bloody army. They're a bunch of kids on a computer messing around. They call themselves an army. An army isn't based upon ranting and raving. It's based upon principles of decency, integrity, and strength. I'm inviting anyone to give a compelling argument. As of yet, no one has given me a damn thing. Not one reason. I asked and I contacted Michael Saylor. I asked and I contacted the heads of the BSV to be part of an online debate. And I received communication back from both sides. But none wanted to come on together. None wanted to face each other. Well, that to me proves everything. Until you do, you look like a cult. You look like a scam. Giving you an opportunity to prove differently, but you're not. BTC is like the cult. BS is like the cult. BSV is just defending itself from the cult. See, look, there is the point right there on the screen. You're a cult. You're not a cult. It's like kids in a playground. Now, some of you are going to switch off and go, I'm done with this because I'm not getting anywhere. Some of you are going to go, I can't win the argument. Well, if you can't win the argument, it's because you had nothing to win with in the first place. I want to get to the bottom of the argument. Somebody stand up and tell us why we should buy Bitcoin. Tell us why we should buy BSV. Kill the argument. Crush it. I invite it. I don't see a point in buying BTC at 40,000, 50,000, 30,000 and then to sell it at 20,000. Hey, Ali Tisro, absolutely none whatsoever. And I didn't sell it at 40,000. I didn't buy it at 40, 50, 30 and sell it 20. I didn't. Every time I bought and sold my Bitcoin, I made money. I didn't lose any money. I'm not in the business of losing money. It's easy. I find it easy to make money. It's difficult to keep it. And right now, in the last few months, I've not been able to keep any money because of the recession and the war. Everything's going down. But I'm not losing any money because I've not sold my assets that are down. I'm not doing that. I've not lost any money. Just the value of my stocks have gone down. But I haven't lost any money in crypto. When I sold out, it was at a wash. Saw the writing on the wall. I bought some Bitcoin last night before all of this. Last night, I bought it, and Paul B said to me, it's about to go to $10,000. And I looked at it and looked at it and looked at it, and I thought, this is ridiculous. And I sold it. I didn't lose any money, and I'm damn not sure I'm not holding it either. Moe Miller, that's not true. To no one anywhere you will find. Anyone at all will tell you to buy BSV. Please do your homework with an open mind. It's hard-earned money. We need to do our own homework. Don't listen to anyone. That's absolutely right. Don't listen to anyone. You buy BSV, you're basically buying into the new IPv6 internet, of which BSV utilizes a micro-transactional, ad-free, anti-Google, privacy orientated, human-centric internet. Now, I want to challenge that. I just read that. Now, I'm an educated guy. I went all the way in my education. I did very well in mathematics. I understand the English language. But when you read that, does anybody actually understand that? I mean, seriously, really, in a day-to-day business, in a day-to-day life, that sounds like Michael Saylor. And no one understood what he said. In a poll, we proved it, who then went out and bought Bitcoin. We're all repeating what we hear on the internet. Do you actually know what that actually means? And what does it actually do? What does it actually do for you in real terms? I swear all these BSV people are robots and they keep saying the same thing that I can't understand. Exactly. Educated people do not understand what that means. But hey, it sounds clever. I'm going to buy it. And that's where we are in life right now.